morning class, morning class 9. Welcome to computer class. I am your teacher Nitish Kumar. So this is our first video for class 9. The chapter number 1, web application basics, unit 1. First, in this chapter we have to learn about the IT. What is IT? Information technology is the application of computers and telecommunication equipment to store, retrieve, transmit, and the manipulation of data. What is store? Storing of data, retrieve, accept of data, transmit, sharing of data, manipulate. When we use two tables for one type of information or for getting the more information, that means manipulation of data. Okay. Now some importance of IT. इट इज़ द मॉडर्न डे एज इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी. आज के लाइफ में सबसे ज़्यादा जरूरी है हमारे लिए इंफॉर्मेशंस. यूजिंग इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी बिजनेस हैविंग द एबिलिटी टू व्यू चेंज इन द ग्लोबल मार्केट. अब विद द हेल्प ऑफ IT, so many small business enterprises going to be a very big global market. We can sell our product in all over the world with the help of IT. The purchase of software and hardware that helps them get their job done. अब क्या है कि कुछ हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर कुछ कंपनियां परचेज करके अपना ये काम कर सकती हैं, अपने छोटे मार्केट को बड़ा बना सकती हैं. ठीक है. कुछ बड़े ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऐसे होते हैं, द मोस्ट लार्जेस्ट बिजनेस हैव देयर ओन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट. बहुत सारे ऐसे कंपनियां होती हैं जो अपना खुद का टेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट रखती है, जो उसके सॉफ्टवेयर और हार्डवेयर को अपडेट करना, यही उनका काम होता है. Now our section number 2, BMP, Business Process Management. Business process are the heart of our organization. Actually, if you want to do with the IT, then you have to do with the BMP, Business Process Management. The managed process means to determine how you can create your products and services. Actually, BMP tell you how can you create your product and services, how can you deliver your product and services to the client. In that case, we provide the services, mainly the services we provide to our customers. For example, the best example of BMP is the call center, where we provide every customer to our services. Now, use of computer or the use of IT. Some positive impact of computer on our society. Computer make our work very easily, our daily work. It help us to do so many things. Institution are use computer to keep their records. बहुत सारे institutions है. For example, our school also using the computer for recording our records. Banks are using computer to maintain our account. Online banking also help us. Trading done, for example, we see the share market report every day in our computer. So there is so many things and so many importance of the computer which you saw in your screen right now. Now some disadvantage. Where the advantage, there is a disadvantage. Unemployment. Because of IT, there is so many lot of work we can done by a single person, or we can do the so many work in a couple of minutes. So that's why there is a no need of so many people. So it's also generate the or increase the unemployment, wastage of time and energy. Because of technology, we can waste our so many time on games, chatting, so many things. Data security. Because of IT, we have to take so many decision, and sometimes we have to take a very hard decision for us. एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि हमें अपने डेटा को सिक्योर करने के लिए बहुत बार बहुत हार्ड डिसीजन लेने होते हैं, और ये कभी कभी बहुत खर्चीला भी हो जाता है. इसलिए बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जो इस पर ध्यान नहीं देते, लेकिन इसका फ़ायदा कोई और लगा ले लेता है. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल, साइबर क्राइम डेटा सिक्योरिटी का ही एग्जांपल होगा. जब कोई पीपल आपका जो अकाउंट है उसको खाली कर देता है कहीं और बैठे बैठे, तो ये क्या हुआ? साइबर क्राइम है. ओके, दिस इज नोन एज द साइबर क्राइम. यूज ऑफ कंप्यूटर एट होम बजट. We can calculate our home budget easily with the help of computer. If you have the computer at your home, then you can easily calculate your income and the expenditures, how many I expend on the home, how many I expend on the vegetables. And it's also make the record for the previous month, so it's very easy to calculate how much I expend on the previous month, how much I expend on this month. Also the future plans. Computer games, we can play the computer games, नॉट ओनली प्राइवेट इंटरप्राइजेज, और भी बहुत सारे जगह से हम कंप्यूटर गेम्स खेल सकते हैं. वर्किंग फ्रॉम होम, नाउ वी आर रीडिंग फ्रॉम होम एंड टीचिंग फ्रॉम होम, so it is also working from home. We can make our presentation from our home. Entertainment, we can watch movies, videos, reading books, download books, magazines. There's very so many things we can doing at from the home. Chattings also, text, video, voice messages using WhatsApp. Use of computer in education. Now this is the way where we can use the computer in the education. Actually we are using the IT in education. What is the best use of IT in education? So computer based training, we can provide the computer based training. Actually if we are providing a person who's sitting at his home and taking the training for the computer aid learning. Okay, using of computer, both the teacher and the student have their time, save their time and efforts. With the help of, for example, what we are doing right now, we are saving our time and efforts. Okay, so this is the best example what we are doing right now. Online education, so many organization or some teachers also provide the online education. We are also reading online education, we are taking already the online education right now. Distance learning, so many institutions and the organizations, sometimes universities also provide the online certificates or the distance learning course for the degree also, for the master degree also. For example, you have the name of some distance learning, literal entries. There is so many things when we distance learning is very important. Online examination, with the help of this one, it's only taken by the MCQ only. Online examination only based on the MCQ. But the help of online examination, the result must be comes in a couple of minutes. There's no delay for the examination results. It's very easy to check also. There's no need of any person to check the results, and it's also useful to take the exam from anywhere. We can give the exam for the Rajasthan in Dhanbad. It's very easy for everyone. Now use of computer in our business. How can we do our business with the help of computer, or use the IT in our computer, in our marketing systems or our business system marketing? So best way of marketing is the advertisement. You can use your computer and IT sector for advertisement. Without advertisement, the marketing business is not going to be success. बिना एडवर्टीजमेंट के आप मार्केटिंग कर ही नहीं सकते. इसके लिए आपको मार्केटिंग करने के लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट जरूरी है. लोगों को पता ही नहीं होगा तो आप कैसे कर देंगे. ओके, हर चीज़ में मार्केटिंग जरूरी है, और हर चीज़ में मार्केटिंग के लिए एडवर्टीजमेंट जरूरी है. उसके लिए हम लोग क्या यूज़ करेंगे? कंप्यूटर्स का या फिर इंटरनेट का. काफ़ी आसान होता है. आप देखेंगे कोई भी चीज़, अगर आप किसी भी वीडियो को भी चला रहे हैं तो बीच बीच में आप देखेंगे एडवर्टीजमेंट आता रहता है. स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, stock exchange perform their activity electronically using their computer. We can purchase the shares, selling the shares with the help of computer on the internet. It helps us to stock exchange also. Banks are using ATM for facility their customers withdraw their amount. Okay, they can be transfer their money to other account and can pay their utility bills online. Actually in banks, ATM also provided by the IT. It's fully controlled by the IT, and we can transfer our money from one account to another account without touching the physical money. Okay, with the numbers only. Departmental store use the computer and IT for generate the bills. They are also using the barcode reader for generating the bill. Sometimes the big department or the big stores also use the computer and IT for their stock inventory or the stock records. and their go-downs record, how many product we have, how many product we sell. So there is so many things we are using in IT field. So I hope you all understand what I want to teach you in this video. So this is our first video for class 9. Watch this video and also subscribe the school channel. Thank you for watching this.